Hey guys, it's Jacqueline Hicks, your local real estate agent here. Today I am in Concord, North Carolina, and I'm about to do a walkthrough on this new build. Yeah, that one right there. I'm hosting an open house this Saturday from 11 to 2. I just put out a few of my open house signs. And let me tell you, what I love about this home is that each bedroom has its own full bath. So it's 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths. There's a half a bath downstairs too. So let's take a look. So the entryway to this home is very different. It's very different. See how it has the little nook with the slant, and then you walk in and open, and voila, you are in the living room. Right, I'm seeing a lot of these fireplaces here in new builds. I think it's really cool. Very nice, very sleek, no mess to clean up. And I love the paneled wall there for your flat screen. And so this is a nice open concept, living room and dining room area. I really love that. I also love the chandelier. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, that is pretty. Okay, so when you walk in and you go to the left, immediately there's a half a bath right here. Everybody needs a half bath downstairs, especially when you're entertaining. You don't want guests always upstairs in your main bathrooms and stuff. And so here's a little room, which is perfect for an office space. So you could be sitting here in your desk and be looking outside, right? Nice little view. You can even snoop on your neighbors if you want. All right, and here, it's a nice little closet. Let's take a look. It's a nice closet space, right? I love that. There we go. So we come around here, and voila, here is the beautiful kitchen. And once again, this is a new build. It does not have a refrigerator. I don't know, it must be a trend going on with these new builders. They say, no refrigerator. Okay, so that's what it is. And so I love this stove. They're back there in the woods or anything. That would be nice to look at, especially in the snow, the little bit that we do get. And this door right here, we have a pantry. And this is big. It's nice because you can walk in and just grab stuff, right? Everything is right at your fingertips. So that door, of course, is the garage. We're not going to entertain that space because a garage is a garage. It's a one-car garage. Not really sure what you can utilize this space for, but maybe like a deep freezer or something. Nowadays, with meats being so high, it's good to just stack up on them and tuck them away somewhere. So that's a good space for a deep freezer. Going up these steps, and the steps, they do match the flooring, which is awesome. We're going up these steps. There's no chandelier here. There's just a recessed lighting up at the top. Right there, okay? And so we're turning and we're going up some more steps. Right at the top of the steps is the laundry room. It's not a closet, it's a laundry room. So you put your washer there, your dryer there. You have cabinet space up top here so that you can put your detergent and your fabric softener. Probably can throw a couple of sheets up in there, right? So your laundry is upstairs. Very nice. Let me show you this other thing that I like. See, we just came up these steps and you can lean over. So you can tell your husband, hey, before you come up the step, bring me a bottled water, right? And your husband brings you a bottled water. So, bedroom number 1. I like to think that this is the master because this is a really huge walk-in closet, right? Look at all this space. Ladies can stack up the purses on that top shelf right there for days. Yeah, so this is definitely a huge walk-in closet. So remember I said that every bedroom has its own full bath, right? Look at this. Right? I love this shower. I love it, I love it, I love it. And the double sinks, Jack and Jill, whatever you want to call them, it's here. Right? New cabinets, nice matching hardware. And then we have, voila, the water closet, right? Now, if you're paying over $400,000 for a house, it's a new build, definitely need a water closet. Definitely want a water closet. All right, we're going to turn those lights out, and we're going to take a walk down the hall. There's the attic access right there, and here is bedroom number 2. Now, this does not have a walk-in closet like the master, but it does have a big closet. See, here you go. You can walk in this way and walk out that way. Pretty cool, right? Yes, it's nice. Nice and big. And so, here's another bathroom, right? Same concept with the hardware. Everything's matching beautifully. Here's a tub with the shower. Now this house, to me, is ideal if you have 2 teenagers, right? And they want their own space. They don't want to share. They have their own bathroom. One likes black all the time. The other one is a pink girly. So there, you have 2 separate spaces for 2 different daughters, right? So here is the other bedroom. You walk in and look, once again, same bathroom in a different room. All right, so this is bathroom number 3, full bathroom. And here is the shower tub combo for the next teenager, right? And here is this room. Now, before this house stood, there was another house that was here. So the builder knocked that house over and built a new house. And I can tell you that this house is much better than the house that was standing here before. All right, you can walk in this way and you can walk out that way. And so here's the lighting for the closet. I didn't turn the light on, but there's the lighting. And let me show you how that lighting looks when you turn it on, because it makes a difference. All right, there we go. So tell me this is not a teenager's closet, right? Lots of space. Once again, they can put a lot of purses and bags up there. You know, teenagers have a lot of stuff. And there's that hardwood flooring, the same as it was downstairs and all the other rooms. Everything just flows. Color scheme, the hardware, the flooring, the ceiling fans that are steady going, right? The bathrooms, they all look good, right? I'm just turning out the lights as I go so that I don't have to make another stop. All right, here we go. 64 degrees in here, y'all. And we're back into this laundry room. It's not a closet, this is a laundry room, right? All right, and here is that master once again with the beautiful shower that I absolutely love. There you go. And this huge closet. Now this is definitely ideal for a husband and a wife. The wife may need like 3/4 of the space. The husband can take the other quarter, or he could just get rid of some of his clothes, right? All right, we're gonna turn this out, let all the lights out. Then we're gonna turn and we're gonna head back down the steps as I turn out all the lights. So I'm hosting an open house here this Saturday from 11 to 2. My lender and I will be here with some snacks and some water. and some handouts for you to take home with you. So this is not my listing. Oh wait, let me show you the deck up here. It's a cute little space here, right? It leads out to the backyard. Remember this yard here with the grass? And I said, what if deer were out here? So this is where we are now. Very nice, right? And there's your neighbor. But then here is the deck. Now I can see you can pimp this out back here because you can put some lights up there. Put a nice tall plant tree right there. Some seating. You can sit back here and sip on your wine, right? Or not. You can just close the screen. Have a movie night. Let the breeze come through. This is definitely a nice house. I think the price is good for this house as well. You know, buying a new build, you can live in this house for many years before you have to worry about anything. Breaking, falling apart. You know, it's a really nice house. So, if you'd like to see more homes like this, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get up my YouTube viewers and subscribers. Never thought I'd want to be a YouTuber, but yes, I do. So like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.